Hello everyone, warm welcome to Dew Public School. Today we are going to learn chapter water of class 6 and let's take a look what we are going to learn in today's video. So here today we are going to learn first point, uses of water, then sources of water, then last, benefits of drinking water. So as you all know, in day-to-day life we use water for drinking, for brushing, for washing our utensils, clothes, floor, plates. And do you know the electricity at our home, it is also produced from water. And agriculture, for irrigation, for gardening, to grow plant, we need water. And this water is also used in industries. Factories use water to produce goods. So now you know how water is very essential in our life. It is a very important natural resource. We get it from nature, and to live life on earth, water is very essential. So what is this water? Water is precious, fundamental and the most essential substance required for the existence of life on earth, and it is found naturally. So you can see we have a picture over here, and this is a picture of earth, and nearly 2/3 of the earth's surface is covered by water, because you can see we have water or ocean which is around the surface of the earth. And what are the sources of this water? First, ocean water. This is the ocean water, which is a salty water, and we cannot drink this water as it is a salty water and it contains toxin. So which water we can drink? The water which we can drink is known as fresh water. So what are the source of this fresh water? The sources of fresh water are river, spring, pond, well, hand pump. These are the sources of fresh water. And ocean water is not a fresh water, as we cannot drink it because it contains salts and toxin. So 70% of earth is covered of water, but from which only fresh water we can drink. And as population is increasing, that water is reducing day by day, as we are constantly using the water. Out of the 70% of water which cover the earth, only 2 to 3% are suitable for human use, and it is suitable for human consumption. And rest of the water, like ocean, it is not suitable for human use and it is not safe for consumption, as it contains salt and toxin. So some of you may wonder that we have taps at our home, and from the taps we get water, but where the water comes to the tap? And since the water in the tap comes from usually from river, from pond or from well. So now you know what are these sources of water or where we get the water. And usually in days we use drink water. So it is said that a normal human being should drink 6 glasses of water. A human body is consist of 70% of water, and a normal human being should drink 6 glasses of water. So why we need to drink water? What is this benefit? The benefits of water are it helps us to lose weight. For healthy skin, we need water, and it helps us to fight from infection. It helps us to get rid of body toxin. It is very essential for healthy heart. Water prevents joint pains. It boosts our energy. Water prevents constipation. It reduces the risk of cancer, and it improves our productivity. So you know these are the benefits for which we need to drink water. This is it for today's video, and thank you.